Okay, so I caught this L, CADJPY, really, really bad. It broke a trend line, and I was looking to take it lower. After touching a couple times, it touched here. Um, really got lucky on this one, and got into that. Um, I don't know on that one. That's kind of iffy, to be honest. But I'll catch it. I'll pretend like I took a L there, just to kind of be, consistent, and I'd rather err on the side of consistency than anything. So, anyways, and then I took yesterday's position off of pivot and 50 EMA. We bled a little bit, meaning that it went past that when it was supposed to bounce off. It didn't. It went past it. That's fine. And it came back down. And then we had this huge blow up a couple hours ago, which is kind of crazy. MACD, was definitely in our favor, and that's a lot of the reason why I was heavy on this trade. And you see what happened here. So minus 2% on these. I'm fine with that. Again, define your risk. Only risk 1% each time. Learned that from Infinite Prosperity and from Irek Piekarski. And that's kind of where I got my ropes, learned the ropes, so to speak. All that stuff is in the description, so check it out. I highly recommend that you pay attention to that. Let's see, CADJPY. So yeah, we lost there, and then we go to CAD CHF. We're going to see something else. We're going to see that I almost got stopped out. You see this? Same play, same chart pattern, pretty much. Not quite there though. Not quite to my stop loss. Thank God, I got lucky. There's no other way to put it. I can't pretend like, I was right or any of that. I just got lucky. So, um, and now I'm at a position to where I can either close this down or look to take it further. Um, I'm not 100% sure what's going to happen here, and this is a lot of the reason why I like this trade is we're kind of under the EMAs, and I want it to push down further, but I'm not sure if it's going to or not. I'm almost convinced to just ride this one out, risk my 1%. It's fine, and kind of see what happens here. Now, it's a peculiar situation to be in because I honestly don't know what this pair is going to do at this point, but I do want to be paying attention to it, and so I can either pay attention to it, get out right now, break even, or I can risk 1% and bet that this is going to actually drop off. Um, MACD's not really giving me anything against my idea of seeing this drop further. Um, yeah, so it's a difficult one, man. I'm not gonna lie. None of the bars are really giving me anything as far as the direction goes or trending. And this is why it's hard to trade this type of stuff when it's not trending. I just try to take these micro movements, and that was kind of silly of me. It's more almost borderline scalping. So, actually, you know what? This is why I like showing you guys my trades. I'm actually going to close this out, and I'm going to take this little 0.2 um, percent or whatever it is. I'll probably do even more or less just to keep it honest. And I'm going to go ahead and get out. Now, I might miss a huge move. I might miss a lot of profit. But even if I do get it, it's not the type of profit that I can duplicate necessarily because this is really a busted trade. You feel me? I should have actually lost right here. Anyways, so for me, let's see exactly what it is. If I can, this is a better way to do this. I like to flip to different time frames so I don't have to do that whole thing. Yeah, so if I got out right here where we're at, It's 0.29, so better off than I thought. I'll take that. But the reason that I don't want to necessarily like glorify this idea, or try to push this as a something that I can do again, or something that I would keep, is because I don't think I can do it again. It's a busted trade. I'm looking for trades that I can duplicate. I'm looking for outcomes that I can do over and over again. I'm not looking for one-off situations. I'm looking for setups. You see what I mean? I'm not gambling. I'm trading. It's a big difference. So CHF JPY, I got into this earlier, right before starting the video, and I saw the opportunity. It's just an opportunity to take a lower, and we're from a key level. All of the higher time frames kind of line up with it too, and so I like that. And I decided to risk 1% on this, and it looks like it's working out so far. Um, but yeah, so I'm gonna hold this one, see how that works out. But this broke the trend line, and now I think we're making a double top, triple top here, 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna drop in, maybe to this level, maybe lower, right? So just in case, I got it at 377. That's nice, but we might get out with just 2% or so. That's fine too. Um, but yeah, man, I'm looking for sustainable stuff here, sustainable moves. No luck, just skill is really what we're banking on. Um, if luck happens, then it happens, but I don't want to make it pretend like, it was something that I chose. All right? Okay. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.